What's up, crypto enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest news in the blockchain world to help you make smarter decisions. Today, we're diving into some eye-opening stats about Pump.fun, the trading platform that's been making waves in the crypto space. Did you know that 99% of its traders haven't locked in over $10,000 in profits? Stick around, because this is a story you don't want to miss. According to recent data shared on Dune Analytics and reported by Cointelegraph, the vast majority of Pump.fun traders, a staggering 99%, haven't secured significant profits, despite the platform's high trading volume. Let's break this down and see what it means for you. First off, Pump.fun's premise is simple. It's a trading platform focused on leveraging volatile assets for quick gains. Sounds enticing, right? But here's the catch. While millions of dollars flow through the platform daily, only 1% of traders have realized profits above 10K. That's a tiny sliver of users actually walking away as winners. So, what's the deal? Are traders just unlucky? Not exactly. Let's explore the contributing factors. One key insight from the data is that most users don't cash out when they're ahead. In a market as volatile as crypto, profits can evaporate in seconds. Greed often takes over, and traders hold out for bigger gains that might never materialize. Another major factor is fees. Pump.fun charges transaction fees that might seem small at first, but can add up quickly, especially for frequent traders. Combined with market slippage, these costs can erode profits faster than you realize. But wait, there's more. The platform's leaderboard system, designed to gamify trading, can lead to reckless decision-making. Traders often feel pressured to climb the ranks, leading to riskier bets that don't always pay off. And let's not forget about market manipulation. Some whales, those big players with deep pockets, can easily sway the market, leaving smaller traders scrambling to keep up. If you're not careful, you might just end up as their exit liquidity. So, what can you do to avoid falling into the 99%? Here are 3 quick tips. Set realistic goals. Don't chase moonshots. Know when to lock in profits and walk away. Manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and always use stop-loss orders. Understand the platform. Familiarize yourself with Pump.fun's fee structure and market dynamics before diving in. Knowledge is power. At the end of the day, Pump.fun is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. The stats may look grim, but with the right strategy, you can position yourself in that elusive 1%. What do you think? Are you part of the 1% on Pump.fun, or have you learned a hard lesson from crypto trading? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights. Until next time, trade smart and stay safe.